Good day everyone! Welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to add and subtract rational expression with the same denominator. Here are the steps in adding or subtracting rational expression with the same denominator. So first step is for us to retain the common denominator. Second step is to add or subtract the numerators. Then third step is to simplify if possible. Now let's proceed to our examples. For example, we're given this expression or this rational expression being added to another rational expression. Now, if you can observe, they have the same denominator. Since they have the same denominator, our first step is for us to copy the denominator, the common denominator. Then after that, we're just going to perform the indicated operation, either add or subtract. So let's add 7 plus 5. Simplifying this, we will have 12 over 6a. Now, third step is for us to simplify if possible. Knowing that 12 and 6 can be simplified, let's cancel 12 and 6. So 12 will become 2 and 6 will become 1. So our final answer will be 2 over a. Ayan. So box your final answer. Okay, so let's have another example. For example, we're given this expression. Knowing that they have the same or common denominator, we will just copy the denominator. Okay, place them in one rational expression, b minus 2, and then we will subtract our numerator. So let's copy first our numerator. Let's place them inside the parentheses. So 9b plus 5 minus 15b minus 8. Please do not forget to place them inside the parentheses if you have two or more terms in your numerator. Yan. It is important for us to place our parenthesis or grouping symbol if you have two or more terms, especially if you're given an operation of subtraction. Why? Because you're going to distribute this operation to each term of your second group. Okay? Ayan. So let's distribute the negative symbol. So we will have 9b plus 5 minus 15b plus 8. Now, after distributing your negative symbol or the subtraction symbol to the second group, you can now remove the parenthesis and then just copy 5b minus 2. And then, after that, you can now combine like terms. So, combining like terms, we will have, okay, so 9b minus 15b, that will be negative 6. Okay, negative 6b. Then, we have positive 5 plus 8. So, we will have positive 13. And then our denominator is 5b minus 2. And then let's identify if we can factor our numerator and denominator. Simplify if possible. If you think we cannot factor our numerator and denominator anymore, then this will be our final answer. So we have negative 6b plus 13 all over 5b minus 2. Alright, let's have our last example for today. So, given this expression or rational expression, knowing that they have the same denominator, we're just going to copy their denominator, the common denominator, and then the next step is for us to subtract the numerators. So, please do not forget to place them inside the grouping symbol. So 3x squared minus 7 minus x minus 6. Okay? So after that, we're going to perform distributive property for our subtraction operation. Please do not forget, if you encounter a subtraction operation, you will distribute the sign. Okay? Then we will have 3x squared minus 7 minus x plus 6. This is all over 2 2x minus 1. Let's combine like terms. So combining like terms, so we will have 3x squared minus x, then negative 7 plus 6, we will have negative 1. Then all over 2x minus 1. So if we cannot simplify this anymore, then this will be our final answer. Ayan. Okay. Now that you already know how to add and subtract rational expression with the same denominator, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skill. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.